everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a scrappy haul, a crafty haul. I have done a little bit of shopping since my last video. Just want to show you what I have been using and have purchased. That way when I use them in videos, you know I've already hauled them. And this video is always like the reference video. I hope you've been enjoying my channel and its consistency. I will say since the last 2 or 3 months, just trying to recommit to my channel. I have been posting at least 2 times a week, but mostly I've been doing 3. So it's been Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And if you hit the little bell notification, you'll be able to get notified when I do my uploads. And that way you won't miss a video. And I've been doing I started a few series. So there's always my memory planning series. I've started my Me, Myself, and I insert. I have my Valentina's like school year story insert. And then there's a video posting, I think this week, that's going to show you doing stories in an 8.5 by 11 album too. So there are different formats coming. I haven't stopped scrapbooking. You know, I had a couple subscribers ask if I don't do 12 by 12 anymore. And I'm just kind of cut back on the amount that I do. If you remember me in the beginning of the year, I was just saying how like I'm truly like running out of space because I have so many 12 by 12 albums. So I have a few 8.5 by 11 in my collection, a few 6 by 8. And that I want to kind of use right now. And that's why I'm also using the Heidi Swapp storyline chapters, because it's a little bit thinner, a little bit more slender. And that way, hopefully I can still do as much memory keeping as I always do, but without the bulk. So let's get started with the haul. So I have a scrapbook store that has reopened since COVID. I could spend hours in there, so I definitely want to give them some more business. But I did pick up 2 items, the Sizzix Thinlits, the ABC. This one is called, what's the font on this? Ellison, maybe? Anyways, so it's a long, thin one. It measures at 1.5 inches. And I thought these would be really awesome in order to do quick titles with colored cardstock or pattern paper. And I picked that one up there. Then if you've ever heard of Art by Marlene, she does very beautiful, colorful, doodly, kind of like a dilution, but a little bit more floral and like figurine based. Anyways, this was just like a kind of a phrases, some positive, some snarky that are all on craft, and then it's repeated on black paper and then white paper. So I thought those would be fun to add onto some memory keeping layouts. I went to Dollar Tree, which is most of the stuff on here too. So the Dollar Tree, I've been seeing a lot of ink blending being done with kind of these looking brushes. And so I found them in the makeup section at the Dollar Tree. So I just bought a few in order to give ink blending a try to see if it does it really well. So I don't have to spend double the money, but you know, pick up some makeup brushes. I mean, these makeup brushes like this are available even at Walmart. I just got lucky at Dollar Tree and picked up a few. I've picked up a few Halloween cards just to do, because I thought I was going to do an October occasionally / daily, but it's already mid-October and I really haven't committed to it. But I just have these now in my stash in order to have little flip outs. I'll probably tell a story of what like Valentina's Halloween costume is this year. She wanted to be a witch, so I'll probably put it somewhere. Look how cute that one is, in one of these, and then keep that in her story album. I picked up a bunch of ribbons. This one has like a gold leaf outline. This one has a gold spider web. This one also came in like purple and orange. Then the copper maple leaf. This is also beautiful. Then just some standard.
I'm kidding.
Oh, I love it. Some standard ribbons in like a cinnamon, orange, and purple. Few stickers. So this is like a dimensional butterfly, a stencil that says shine bright. Sticker, oh no, these are iron transfers with rainbows, layered dogs, and then some layered leaves. These were all at the Dollar Tree. Some wood veneer that says hello autumn and hello fall.
What are these?
These are ink pads, baby girl. And then these wall decals. So I did have a set of this already before. So I picked up another one of these blue butterflies. Then I like these that are fall butterflies. And then this one that kind of looks like a birthday card. So that way too, Valentina's birthday is coming up. So I can use that maybe in a spread in her insert.
Yeah.
Then from Michael's, I picked up these decals for Dia de los Muertos. And then I also picked up these ones as well. I love this one. So these were half off. And then I got my hands on some of the Halloween washi. And then, so Allie Edwards, I really recently did some purchase. You saw me use this one already. So this is the block stamp that she did with Laura Wozniak. But I also picked up this one too, which has like 4 different fonts of alphas, which I love. And then I picked up just 4 new colors from Allie's website, Neswoan, Columbia, and Astoria. So that was a recent purchase from Allie Edwards. Then I'm a part of Heidi Swapp's, what do you call it? Stamp Society. Anyway, and in general, it's $20 and you get a new 6x8. Please stop. Can you please stop making noise? Thank you. She gives out 6x8 stamp sets in her Stamp Society. This was this month. I've gotten an awesome alpha and also a flag set from her, so I love these.
I want to stamp them.
Okay, we're going to stamp afterwards, okay? Just let me finish this, and then I'll do it with you, okay?
Okay.
I did a recent purchase with Ellie Studio. I haven't purchased them from them in a while, but I got the die set with the stamping labels to go together, just because, once again, I think this is a great staple set to have in order to add journaling to your projects. I have the small Jane alpha, so I do have the large one. It's good to have the smaller one as well. And then these were, I was really excited for, to make nice clustered sentiments. I don't have a lot of stamps like this yet, so I need to grow my collection in order to have options. So this was from Elle Studio.
And this one.
Okay. Then I did a small purchase at scrapbook.com, mostly because I needed to get my hands on Catherine Pooler stamp inks. So again, I had asked on a few previous videos about good inks to stamp with because I was having trouble with the ones I already have, and everyone recommended Catherine Pooler. So I bought Pink Champagne, Grape Crush, Twilight, Coral Cabana, Party Dress, Limoncello, Serene, All That Jazz, and Suede Shoes. So I kind of did like a rainbow just so that I had at least one color in the rainbow. And that way I was set for stamping for a while. So I'm really excited about these. Pinkfresh Studio recently released a lot of like new like floral stamps for card making and slimline cards, but I picked up this bundle. It also came with the die cut, which maybe I should have gotten, but I was okay to fussy cut all of these out. But in general, they have kind of like a layering stencil set. It's a like 5 stencils, or how many? So it's kind of like layering with stencils so that these get colored in properly, so that you can have like pink in the inside and then purple and then green and do all the different colors. So I'm excited to play with these and then fussy cut them out. I also picked up this so cute little leopard print stencil, and then another pack of the scrapbooking inserts from Heidi Swapp. I already am utilizing 2, so I knew that if I kept on this route, might as well put another order in for a pack. And then the day of my purchase, there was a freebie, and then this was that freebie. It's just a puppy sticker in a ombre alphabet, which I actually do kind of like. Because I've gotten so good, not good, but more committed to stamping, I bought one of the Ranger scrubbing pads. So it's kind of like a textured scrubber so that you can wipe your cling stamps and anything off of it. But the gem of the show is the Lawn Fawn. I forgot what this one was called. I think I threw out the packaging. It was like the chamois wipe. So you wet this and then you're able to wipe off your stamps really quickly. This has been the ultimate game changer in keeping your stamps clean and not getting like kind of dyed from the ink colors that you use. So that's how the other one, my Allie Edward one, where'd it go? Because this one I've already used. Where is it? Well, in essence, one of the Allie ones I've already used, and that's why it still looks so brand new, because I stamped and then immediately wiped it off with this when it was wet and then scrubbed it, and they keep them perfect. Game changer. Thank you for that suggestion. So then I recently did a purchase on Peachy Cheap. So this will be like the Halloween collection that I kind of use mostly. It's Spooky by Pebbles. So it came with both the ephemera packs. And if you're not familiar with Peachy Cheap, they're kind of like a deal a day website. So this was one day altogether for like $15. It also came with the puffy stickers. Came with the 6x8 pattern paper pad. It also came with the Muhaha puffy stickers. And then this sticker set too. This one's called Midnight. It's gold with a black outline in the center, and it has tons of numbers. Also like the numbers for December daily, perhaps. So I'll be using that one to scrapbook Halloween. At Joann's, I picked up the Paige Evans embellishment pack. I do believe up to Bungalow Lane. I got lucky and got a pack of just the die cut, so I can use that on layouts. Then the Happy Planner had a new release recently for the fall, and these were the sticker pads that I liked the most. So I have Seasons of Color, which is just a lovely floral one. And you know me and a good floral. And then Seasons of Color, they made them in this kind of size now too. So an extra 4 inches or so wider. And these are just kind of jumbo ones. And I hope that they always make them this big because this is really nice as well. And I did buy these when these were 50% off, so I did not pay full price.
So pretty.
So pretty, Mama. Then this one's called Papillon. They have a whole butterfly collection now. And I love the butterfly icon. And then Colorful Dogs, of course, I got the dog one. They also have a whole one dedicated to cats. So this is the dog one, super cute.
It goes woof,
It goes woof, woof, woof. Then I went over to, so with the Joann's, I also got those sticker pads. But then on other trips, I've picked up some more holiday-ish paper pads. But the non-paper pad was the Heidi Swapp stickers and photo corners. So it's kind of like little phrase stickers and then the photo corners. A Tim Holtz stamp. I love just the pumpkins and stencil set. This one from Die Cuts with the View, a stencil for just the bat, but then the other little cute icons. I picked up Floral Spice from Park Lane. This too, when I got it, was also 50% off. So this was like $7. I just love the colors. I feel like this will go really well for fall and for Halloween layouts and documenting. Oh, and I just love that one. So that's Floral Spice. Then I got Halloween Party as well. You've probably seen this one. I am late to the game, but I just loved the pattern papers. And plus my little Valentina, she's getting very good at using punches and cutting out scissors. She does actually these little wonky embellishments. So I thought I'd let her go to town with some of these and be able to document where she's at with her fine motor skills.
It's so pretty.
It is so pretty, Mamacita. And then this last one, just loved. It looks like alcohol inks and watercolor. So this one was, I believe, also 50% off. And I've already used this one on 2 layouts of memory keeping. So if you follow me, you've probably seen this one. But you can see what I mean. So some of them are double-sided. And some of them then get on like glossy paper. Some are on shimmery paper. These are still the, baby please, the double-sided ones. See how pretty? Look how nice. And then these get on this like glossy paper. So they have like a sheen to them. And then these are on shimmery paper. Again, beautiful. And then this are like on heavyweight cardstock. Textured heavyweight cardstock. And so you get 3 of each pattern there. So I just love that one. And then one last purchase. Hold on. And then my last little stop with Valentina, this was the most recent, was Hobby Lobby. So I picked up these little dimensional shaker Santas. I thought these would be cute. Well, one definitely will grace the spine of my December daily this year, so I love those. Then I did say I was working in a 6x8. No, not 6x8. It was an 8.5 by 11 storyline album by Heidi Swapp. You'll be seeing a video. I think it's already been posted, but if you didn't, let me just grab it real quick. So I am now working in an 8x10 album or 8.5 by 11. This one's by Heidi Swapp, and I believe you already have seen these. So these are what's the layouts that are coming. And in order to have more than just full page scrapbooking, Hobby Lobby has 8.5 by 11 3-ring binder pocket page spreads too. So yes, they're not 4x6. I would have to cut them down a little bit to fit here, but this is the configuration here. Then I got this set, and these were like half off. So these were each like $3 a pack. And then this configuration. So that way I can have some variation in these albums. And I love those. It is. Then I got some fun, these are like heavier weight glittered cardstock paper. These again were $1.99, so they were $1 each. So I got this beautiful rainbow. It is thick cardstock, so I'm hoping to make some sort of nice, impactful title. And then these textured glitter ones I thought were so cool. I don't know if they're going to go through my silhouette, but I definitely thought I could do like just partial strips. This one's beautiful, blue and pinks. And then this one, a lot of white, blue, and pink. Bless you, Mama. And then this beautiful gold foiled one I thought I could use and save for December Daily. And then the last, okay, then I got this rainbow paper pad for me and Valentina. It is foiled, and I just loved it. It was Paper Studio, so everything was half off. So that this was only $10. And so you can see the foiling. It's silver / holographic. And you get 3 sheets of everything. So it skips some of the holographs, so not all of them. A nice polka dot, a zebra stripe with the holograph, a nice rainbow, a like marking, mixed media marking, some painterly stripes, polka dots, paint marks, rainbows, almost like a cheetah print, leopard print, triangles. So I love that they're very painterly looking, little mixed media looking. I love that. So cute. This one almost reminds me of the ones I got from Joann. So got enough paper, y'all. Got enough paper. All right, Little Bits here keeps on saying she wants to do some stamping. So I'm going to leave now. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell notification to get notified when I upload my videos in the future. I am posting Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Give this video a thumbs up so that I know you appreciate some scrappy hauls. And I'll continue to give you some inspirational content here on my channel. Till next time, everyone. Bye.